All right, we're going to start this off with a quick question for you. When the garage comes with epoxy floors, a wooden pellet stove, all these windows, room for 2 cars, and a separate entrance to your private fenced backyard, does it really matter that the whole home, 5 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms, is freshly renovated? Let's go inside together. I'll let you have a look. You can decide for yourself. I'm Matt Morant with eXp. Really happy to have you here. Let's go inside. All right, and that's a wrap. As you've seen, this beautiful front split, it has the space, it has the updates, and it has the style that you're looking for, along with beautiful outdoor landscaping and a deck. It's built for summertime living. I'm Matt Morant with eXp Realty. Thank you very much for watching through to the very end. Get in touch with your realtor to book a tour. If you're not working with a realtor, get in touch with me. I'll be happy to bring you through. Thank you very much.